What are you doing, young player?
Young player? I'm cleaning the rims right now for the...
Clean the whip.
The car show tomorrow. All Volkswagen.
El chocolatazo, esa. Nutella paint job. Kind of dirty right now, but
Shit was hella loose.
we're gonna get it all cleaned up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, boy. We're all done getting the bug. Amazing cars. Taking the 1951, 1954. So car show tomorrow. So tomorrow. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Do it again. That show's ass, bro.
You're gonna
see you, dumbass. The fucking this.
You're gonna redo the alarm clock?
We're trying to do a montage, but these fuckers fucked it up.
Be on some bullshit.
Some weak ass shit. Fuck you, pussy. Sway. My gosh.
We up now? Jeez.
Fucking 4:04 a.m., bro. Follow us on los gallitos. Los gallitos perros.
Go like the new video.
Go like the new videos.
Subscribe. Follow.
Yes, sir. Follow. Let's get it. Let's go. 4 a.m. baby. Let's go.
Well, we're going to the car show. Probably gonna get some shit to eat.
Just woke up.
Right now we're about to get ready.
I look chopped, huh? Age restricted, me too. It's a little chopped cheese.
Oh yeah, I look chopped, bro. I can't. Come on.
Little chopped cheese, but mom is.
Let's get it. Let's go.
I'm going fresh.
Give me whatever's in the vault. Give me that shit. Whatever's unreleased, I'm gonna need that.
Qué rico. That shit's not getting later. You just get this one.
I bet.
Hoy como soy afuera, ¿ah?
Oh my god! Ooh, baby. Oh, this is fucking clean. Lizard.